Step into this inviting 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that has been lovingly maintained and updated. Featuring replacement windows and a new roof, this residence offers peace of mind with its recent upgrades. Inside, you'll find beautiful hardwood floors that add warmth and character to the living spaces. The kitchen is fully equipped with all appliances, ensuring daily living and meal preparation convenience. This cozy home includes 2 comfortable bedrooms, providing ample space for relaxation and privacy. The bathroom is tastefully appointed, completing the functionality of this charming dwelling. Additionally, there is an exciting opportunity to purchase the adjacent home to the north along with this property. Whether you're looking for an extended living arrangement, rental income potential, or simply more space, this option provides flexibility and investment potential. Located in a desirable area.